just need to relax and get in your Harley truck, just hammer down.
My name is Alex with Hennessey Performance. As always, we're on the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track, and I'm here with a special guest, Aaron Heaton. He's our director of sales, and we're in a very cool truck. It's a Goliath 700, but it's even more than that. It's a Harley-Davidson truck, and we're gonna just take it around for some final testing before shipping it off to the customer. Aaron, what's your first thoughts on this baby?
Makes lots of power, sounds cool, looks cool. It's a nice replacement for a Harley on a rainy day.
This truck came to us with no performance modifications, and that's where we filled in. We added our 700 horsepower package to this thing, and it is ready to go. But the exterior of the truck is fully decked out with Harley-Davidson branding. If you're a Harley guy, this truck is for you for sure. Alright, well, let's see how she performs. Let's do a quick 0 to 60.
Right.
Gets up and goes. There's 60 right there. Sounds good too.
Pretty quick for a heavy truck.
Yeah. Modified truck with a warranty. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, for 700 horsepower and 3 or 36, there's not really much out there that has that type of warranty with that type of horsepower. 106 on the back straight. That's right on par with some of our fastest trucks. Actually a smooth ride at 100. For 700 horsepower, the drivability's just like a stock vehicle.
Yeah, drives just like stock, and then when you get in the power, it's just way faster. These trucks really do feel good.
700 horsepower, man, it gives you butterflies.
This truck is ready to go back to the customer. So excited for him to get this thing. It's so sweet. It's way faster than when it first got here. I think he's gonna love it.
I think so. This thing's awesome.
Drive a stock one when you can drive this.